Today I got in another trade on AMD. Right now the trend on AMD is going down, but the thing is, uh, when it come out of the range, on the range here, this is the 3D deviation. So once when it come out here, most likely it will bounce up like very hard. As long as you can see, it's already be down like on like 5 day in a row, and today it go down like $4.50 because the news on Nevada, that the U.S. government limit the chips export to China, um, due to the to prevent for the military use of their chips. So the AMD is dropped down like $4.50, but the thing is, that's why they said you buy the rumor, sell the news. So when right now it's oversold at this moment, and when I look at the top pool is a natural. So I wanna bet like 10 contract. No, I bet 50 contract out the money. I bet like 50 contract out the money to the $90 level, $90 to $90. So I bet it's gonna be bounce back in the next 3 weeks. It might bounce back tomorrow or Monday, and I'm willing to risk it. Um, this position is about like almost like $6,000. It's 550 contracts. So let's see how it perform in the next couple weeks.